Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know that transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to send ETH from Kraken to Uniswap in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double check for any platform changes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Kraken account set up and some ETH in it. You'll also need a wallet address from Uniswap or your preferred Ethereum wallet. Security is huge here, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and find the Wallets or Funding section. Select ETH from your list of assets. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button for ETH. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where Uniswap comes in. Open your Uniswap app or MetaMask and copy your Ethereum wallet address. Paste it into Kraken's withdrawal form. Step 3. Double-check everything. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, but remember to account for network fees, which might be higher in 2025 due to potential upgrades like Ethereum 3.0. Hit Confirm and verify via email or 2FA. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Uniswap, and you should see your ETH arrive in your wallet. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to avoid any mishaps. And hey, crypto can be volatile, so keep an eye on prices. That's it for today's guide. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.